In this video, I'll explain to you what BMT means on Snapchat. So while using Snapchat, you might have come across this acronym BMT. So keep watching as I'll tell you everything you need to know what it means and when it's used. So BMT usually stands for the big man thing. It's a Jamaican English phrase that's commonly used within the London street culture. So it refers to grown-up things, indicating adult matters or concerns. So the phrase suggests that what is being discussed is significant or should be taken seriously, and it's often used among friends to express sincerity and authenticity in a statement. So for example, a Snapchat user might say, BMT, that was the best show I ever been to. So he or she is basically stressing their genuine enthusiasm and positive experience at the event. It could also be used to preface a serious comment or a piece of advice, as in, BMT, you should really apologize to her. So although that is the most common meaning of BMT, there are other things it could also stand for, such as biting my tongue, basic military training, or badminton. And there you go, that is what BMT stands for on Snapchat. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.